Welcome to Titan's troubleshooting video for the Impact 440 sprayer. Here, we will walk you through the symptoms that can occur when using a paint sprayer and how you can solve them. Number 1. If the electric motor will not run. Second, if the sprayer runs but does not prime. And finally, if everything is working but your spray pattern is poor, how you can make adjustments to achieve the best pattern. Let's start with a 440 motor that is not running. You'll want to check two things. First, examine the power outlet you're connected to and make sure that the sprayer is properly plugged in and that outlet you're using is providing power. You can check this by looking at the LED on the plug for the sprayer at the wall outlet. It will light up if the sprayer is receiving power. After you have verified power from the wall, it's time to check the circuit breaker on the bottom of your sprayer. Make sure that the breaker has not popped out. If it has popped out, unplug the unit before resetting it. Now let's talk about what to do if your 440 is running but not priming. To start with, make sure your relief valve is in the prime position. Next, you'll want to try the pusher valve on the 440. Make sure to press and release this quickly 5 times while the sprayer is running. Then check the return tube to see if priming has begun and fluid is flowing out of the tube. If the unit is still not priming, remove your pickup tube and pusher assembly to manually inspect the inlet ball condition and verify that it is not stuck. If it is stuck, of course, carefully break it free and reconnect everything to restart your priming. Lastly, if the unit runs and pressurizes but you're getting a poor spray pattern, there are several steps you can take to correct this. Start by making sure you're using the correct spray tip size for the material you want to spray. You can do this by reviewing the coating manufacturer product data sheet for their recommended tip size. The second thing is to verify your sprayer's operating pressure. If this is too low, you will not be able to spray a proper pattern. Slowly adjust your pressure up while testing your spray pattern to see if this will correct the issue. Additionally, you need to make sure the filters are not clogged. This will restrict material flow, causing a bad pattern. In some cases, switching to a smaller tip size can help with the pattern as well. Make sure to test this before moving on. Finally, if you are unable to locate the proper tip size, you can also try thinning the material so that it can be atomized with a smaller tip. Be sure to test this with a small volume of paint first to find the correct thinning measurement before thinning a complete container of the coating. Thank you for watching Titan's troubleshooting video for the Impact 440 sprayer. If you have additional questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.